Nature lovers,
Hi, beautiful soul.
we made a curry, normal rice, but all the vegetables and stuff are from Rosenhill, Ekerö, where they grow everything in their own garden, and the peppers, the carrots, the
And chanterelles.
eggplants, and then we picked chanterelles also. Put some coconut milk or coconut cream, it's called, and it's fucking tasty, and some curry spices and some peppers and salt. It's fucking amazing. And on Saturday we are going again to Ekerö, Rosenhill, because they have tomatoes and techno day. Tomatoes and techno.
My dream's coming true.
So on Saturday we're gonna take the bus there. It's like 2 hours with the bus and stuff, maybe 140 with the bus and changing with trains and stuff. But we're going because it's amazing, and we almost used all our good vegetables. We take the seeds from the peppers and the chilies, and we're gonna grow them because seeds from organic stuff is always better seeds. And buy local shit, it's the best. That's how you eat real food, not the ones in the supermarket where every single vegetable looks exactly the same and the same size. They're supposed to be different, and there's different stuff is not supposed to be steroid. The sweet potatoes are not supposed to be as big as my arm, you know. Everything is supposed to be different and look real.
Like, we are all different.
And shiny, like the carrots are different sizes, and the
You can
potato.
smell them.
Yeah, you can really smell the difference of the real carrots and stuff.
Tomatoes.
Well,
especially,
tomatoes,
they're
yeah.
so strong.
I
in
smelled
smell.
the carrots when we were there, and I was like, this is real carrots.
Mm.
We'll make a video and stuff when we're there the next time also.
I think I made a video when we were there.
Did you post it?
No.
No. But next time maybe we can ask if we can film some more inside and stuff.
And we got some organic popcorn.
Organic popcorn, but we made them with butter, but butter is okay sometimes. Healthy fats is necessary for our bodies to function properly, and you can get that in vegan stuff also, but it's a bit harder. Then we have a small banana. You want to show the tomatoes we have?
It's basically all that we have left from what we bought. And then there's a yellow one. These are all the ones we have left now.
Yay!
Look! Real food!
Yay! Rosenhill, Ekerö, I don't know, you can find it on Instagram. Maybe I should link them somewhere in the description.
Yeah.
But Rosenhill, Ekerö should be enough for any Swedish person to figure it out, at least, even if the video is in English. And we're gonna enjoy this amazing curry we cooked. And we love you guys. I just wanted to make a short video of us enjoying real food, inspire everybody to eat healthy and try to eat local, even if we don't always eat local. At least try when we have the opportunity, because it's not that much more expensive.
It's cheaper, if anything.
It's not cheaper, but it didn't cost nearly as much as we expected when we were there buying.
It depends where you go. If it's
Yeah.
local, it's possible that it's expensive because somebody has to afford that lifestyle from it. But often it's the same. And we just think it's going to be more because it's real.
Yeah. It's really nice. Now we're gonna eat some food, watch a movie. Peace out. I love you guys. Buy real food.